Good morning, good morning. Hope you guys are having a terrific Tuesday, a transformational Tuesday. I'm super excited to be able to be here this morning, back in my regular spot. Anyways, I love waking up on Tuesday mornings and being able to share with you guys, get your day going. I am Kelly Frick of Kelly Frick Connect. If you've never hopped on before, welcome. If you're watching the replay, definitely comment below replay. I love hearing your guys' interactions. I love hearing what you have to say and share, and just sharing your heart with me. So as I shared with you last week, I'm going to be sharing a lot about my health journey this year, even more so this year, because that's how we connect with each other, right? Is when I am able to share with you being real and raw and just open, then it helps us to be able to connect, right? And that's super important. And I want to be able to know how to connect you to other practitioners as well, and other people that are going to help support you with your health journey. So my health journey, last week, I shared a little bit about starting an autoimmune program to be able to dig even deeper into my health, to be able to get to the next layer, right, of really thriving, continuing to thrive and taking my thriving to the next level. So realizing that because of particular ways of I was doing things, all that stuff, that some ways I was eating before were serving me. And they were really helping me and supporting me, but it doesn't mean that it was still going to be serving me. All right, so that's one of the things that we need to do as individuals, as women especially, of knowing that, okay, we might have done something before, whether it was the way we were sleeping, the way we were eating, the way we were exercising, and it really supported us. It really served us. Hopefully we weren't doing any of those practices out of self-abuse, right? Which unfortunately a lot of us women do. We eat a particular way because we're convinced that we have to eat a particular way so that we can get to a certain size, so that we can then finally like ourselves. We can finally love ourselves. The same thing with exercise, the same thing with different things, right? But that's not how it works, right? And that's gonna be a totally other Facebook Live, other video and all that stuff. But here, what I was able to do is I was able to realize, okay, there was a particular way that was helping me with my healing journey, with my nutrition, that was serving me, but it wasn't serving me any longer. So I needed to be able to make some change. And it was scaring me. It really, I have to be honest. So that is where my Bergamot started to really help me stay confident, right? And I use Bergamot every single morning. I palm diffuse. I put it on my belly so that it helps remind me to stay connected. That whole mind, body, gut, our gut is our first or second brain, depending on what, where you read and learn with Ayurvedic medicine, as well as Eastern culture, medicine, all that stuff. But having Bergamot really helps me stay confident in all the amazing things that I'm needing to be able to work on, right? That I'm going to be embarking on with my health, with my journey. So the biggest, though, is to not have fear in the change that I will be seeing, to remember that my body does not define me, that I am a mind, I am a body, I am a soul, and I have a spirit. But most important, that I'm already beautiful, right? That because He made me, I'm already beautiful. So it doesn't matter what changes take place. And they're actually going to be all really good changes. So how many times do we embark on a change that we know is going to be really good for us, but we enter into fear because we only know what we've been doing, and that's comfortable. We don't want to step out of the comfort zone, right? So we need to be willing to reprogram that mindset of remembering that it's okay to be uncomfortable, so that we can grow in our health journey, grow in our knowledge, grow in our faith, grow in all of our different ways, right? So right now for me, my go-tos on this journey with my health is my beautiful spray, my Bergamot, my balance, and my serenity. So I would love to hear what oils are your support, are in your toolbox for supporting any of your health goals or health journeys right now. And share with me what your health goals and journey is down below. I would love to be able to hear what you're doing, what you're embarking on, and let's support each other. Let's connect, all right? Also, quick reminder, next Friday on the 24th, I'm having the 2020 Destiny Workshop. Super powerful, super cool, bringing in my a John Maxwell certified coach, business coach, to be able to, it's going to be a workshop, 3 hours of mind, body, spirit, connecting to our health of our mind, health of our businesses, health of our bodies, health of everything, right? Truly mind, body, spirit connection. So whether you're an entrepreneur, a businesswoman or not, if you are a woman, this is a workshop for you. This is a workshop that is going to empower you in so many ways. It is definitely here on this page, Kelly Frick Connect. You can find the links of the event itself. It will be located at Key to Free, an amazing nonprofit entity that supports women in transitioning out of human trafficking, sex trade, to be able to live an amazing free life, full of hope, full of healing. So an amazing entity that's hosting it. Definitely need to join me for that alone, right? So again, comment below what oil or product is supporting you in your health journey right now. How can you change your mindset of self-acceptance through that journey to be able to realize that you are already beautifully and wonderfully made, and that no matter what changes take place with your body during your health journey, it doesn't matter, because you are mind, body, soul, spirit. So you guys have a beautiful and blessed day, and I look forward to visiting with you more and hearing from you. Take care and God bless.